time has come to once again answer life's most savory question.
Here we go.
Whose cuisine reigns supreme?
Tell you about it later.
This is Iron Chef America.
Much time, guys?
3, 2,
Yeah, baby.
1.
Plate, guys, plate.
Time's up.
Just hold on.
A delectable Japanese tradition has taken root in American soil. We have been graced with the establishment of our very own kitchen stadium, where our nimble chairman has brought together the pungent flavors of East and West. It is here where the best of the best from around the world meet and face the ultimate gourmet challenge.
I'm just cooking, man.
The father of modern cookery, Fernand Poix, once said, "If the divine creator has taken pains to give us delicious and exquisite things to eat, the least we can do is prepare them well and serve them with ceremony." Well, don't worry, chef, wherever you are, we have exquisite things and ceremony in spades right here in Kitchen Stadium. What say we put them together right now? So please allow me to introduce a veritable pantheon of culinary giants, your very own Iron Chefs, America. Iron Chef Bobby Flay. Iron Chef Masaharu Morimoto. Iron Chef Kat Cora. Iron Chef Michael Simon. Iron Chef Jose Garces. And Iron Chef Mark Forgione. In mere moments, one Iron Chef will be pitted against our challenger, who thirsts to discover our secret ingredient and enter the heat of battle here in Kitchen Stadium. Today's challenger is from New York and attended the Culinary Institute of America in Hyde Park.
Cooking is the only thing I've ever wanted to do.
In 2008, she opened Sorella in Manhattan, which she describes as an ode to the Piedmont region of northern Italy.
I get my inspiration through the little Italian grandmothers of Piedmont. I try to be straightforward, give honest food, no fuss, no muss, just kind of let the ingredients be themselves.
The chairman welcomes Chef Emma Hurst.
Chef Hurst, welcome.
Thank you so much.
Your restaurant serves Italian food. Which Italian expression will best sum up your performance in Kitchen Stadium? Bravissimo or what's the matter you?
We're here to cook some good, honest Italian food and have a lot of fun while doing it.
Very good. But now we must put the kibosh on our kidding. Tell me, which Iron Chef will you slice like a potato on your mandolin?
Well, my flavor is being of Italian descent and his of the Mediterranean. I choose to battle Iron Chef Michael Simon.
You have chosen well. And now, let the battle begin!
So, our challenger chooses to fight the flavors of Iron Chef Michael Simon. Let's see who emerges victorious in this matchup of Mediterranean culinary masters.
But there is one more ingredient to this battle. Our secret ingredient. The theme on which our chefs will offer their succulent variations. Today's secret ingredient is
Mozzarella! Nice!
Chefs, does the secret ingredient please you?
Absolutely.
Love mozzarella.
So now, America, with an open heart and empty stomach, I say unto you in the words of my uncle,